This is how we would do it.
So this is how we would do it. Embroidering, it looks great. A yoke of a Western shirt. I've got a shirt here. It's kind of a big design to fit perfectly within this yoke. So I'm gonna show you how I hoop this real quick. So I got my backing. We're gonna wear it, so remember, it can't be tear away. And then I just take a little bit of blue tape, and you can do this pretty quick, and you don't need much. I'm just gonna put a little piece of tape here in the corners, and make sure you stick the tape to the backing, not to anything else, because you don't want the tape to hit the needle. It'll gum it up and start to cause some problems if the needle runs over the tape. And now our backing is on here, and we can manipulate it into this shirt pretty easy. I use the line of the yoke, and so I just kind of feel this out until I get it where it feels like it's pretty equal. And then I just kind of check it, adjust the lining, adjust that line as needed. You can see we're lined up with the center of the hoop here, and then we have the top of the line here is nice and center. The design should fit kind of right perfectly in there. Let's go take a look-see. Let's go ahead and check the alignment. It's kind of hard to tell because it's black, but it's perfect.
Now, depending on the thickness of your garment, you will likely set your active feed to between 4 and 6 with the presser foot all the way down or up one click, similar to say a t-shirt. I'm using the standard Grossbecker DBX K5 7511 needles. I would consider this somewhat of a specialty application that you should advertise and promote. I think there are ways to make this process more efficient, but nevertheless, it demands a premium and it'll set you apart from your competitors.
All right, so this is done. Remember, when we're cutting backing, we want to look at the inside of the backing. We want to look at the garment, cut what we can see on the inside so we don't end up cutting the fabric. When we talk a little bit about specialty applications, I think that there's a lot of value in that. A lot of customers want that specialty application, and if you can get creative, that's the unique thing about this business is we have to be creative and come up with solutions. You know, there's not just one answer for any application. It's kind of like, is this going to work? Test it and get it to work. And this is one of those that I think has a lot of potential. Can make you a lot of money because it's pretty sweet if you ask me. There we are. I'm just gonna snap this because it's a pearl snap. Western wear, done on a yoke on the EMT16X. Specialty application. Money can be made. Melco, baby.